guys, I'm back again. It's your boy Mr. 808 here, and in this video I'll be talking about the top forex news websites that everyone has to be using so long you're in the financial markets. Even if you're not the technical trader, just based on trading fundamental news, you still need to use these sites. You may choose one or two. I personally use all the four for different reasons, and that's what I'll be talking about in this video. Please like, share, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let's go deep into the video. So first things first, the first site I use is Forex Factory, and this is a site that I'm sure most of you are familiar with. And here, if you go to the home page, it shows the forums, trades, news, calendar, markets, brokers, and everything. If it's your first time visiting this site, you will need to sign out, to sign in, I mean, because you need to set the time zone wherever you are, so that the news calendar will appear according to your time zone. I'm using the South African time zone, so you can just save settings there. Then usually this site, I just use it for the economic calendar, because I need to know what's happening every week, and what news, what announcements are coming, if are there interest rates changes, and so on. You can extend this calendar just to view everything that's happening, and you need to select the red folder because there are multiple news releases every time, but you need to pick high impact news. You can also choose this one, which is less volatile, and tick there, and there apply. You pick all the news that you want: inflation reports, employment, central bank bonds, and the currency pairs. You can just if you like, I personally just pick the most high impact news, because I don't care about these minor news because they don't affect the market as much. But if you want, you can pick them, or just copy my settings as they are there. Without wasting any time, I'll go to the second website I like using also, which is Investingcom. With this one, it's got a lot of things on it. Here we've got markets, insights, news, analysis, charts, technical, brokers, tools, portfolio, education, crypto. This one actually it's my favorite. Although Forex Factory is number one on the list, but this one is my personal favorite. So with this one, you also need to log in or sign up and set your time zone and everything wherever you are. I personally use this one for economic calendar, the same with Forex Factory, but sometimes the news that shows here is never there on Forex Factory. So that's why I like to use both, and it's important you also counter check with what's happening. You can also click there to see the news that's happening today, tomorrow, this week, or even just the whole month. You can click there. Then for you to change the settings, you just go to filter, what countries you want, the time zone, and the importance of the news. You want high important news, then you can just apply there. Then the other things I use for this is the technical analysis. You can go there just to see the sentiment of the market and what other big players are seeing. So you can tell, like here, Euro USD, it's a strong buy. The indicators, the Fibonacci's, and what they're all showing. You can also read about indices. It's got a lot of important information that you can make use of. There's also technical analysis. Summary. They're almost the same. So you can see here, it shows like Euro USD on the daily, it's a strong buy. Hourly, it's a buy. 15, it's a buy. I've seen people that use this to their advantage, but I personally just trust my technical analysis. I don't use this, but I just get a bias of it, and you can also make advantage of that. Then if you go to the home page, it will display the latest news there, about commodities, about gold, you know. I think I'm in the long run I'm going to do a full detailed video just about this website, you know, and how you can benefit from it. And you can also read about what's happening now, COVID-19, coronavirus cases, any news releases about the cure. It all shows here, you know. So you can make use of all this. This is my personal favorite. That's just my opinion. So without further ado, let's go to the third website I recommend, Fxstreet. Fxstreet is also one of the good websites I use. I personally use it just for latest news updates. I don't use the economic calendar, but you can also use it. Remember, most people use websites for the economic calendars. So here we've got the home, rates charts, news, analysis, economic calendar, cryptos, videos, education, brokers. So you can go down, read through, check the news release here, latest news release. So you just check if there are any bombings, any changes in the world affecting the gold, you know, and so on. These are just ads around here and brokers that are advertising on this page. So you see, this one I like using it for latest news because it's easier. It usually updates faster, in my opinion, you know. You can see Euro USD positive chase exceeded 1.19, you know, all this, you know. And the economic calendar, the same procedure. You just sign up and it will show the news that's happening today. As you can see, the red folder, that means it's high impact. These are minor. You don't need to pay much attention to this, you know. Yeah, this is my third website that I recommend for every financial trader or forex trader, whatever you might want to call it yourself. You might check out, you know. You might pick one or two, but like you see, for me, I use them for different reasons. So my Fxstreet is also Fxstreet, I mean, is the one I recommend. Yeah, and my last website is my Myfxbook. This one I mainly use it for the tools, you know. The same procedure, you need to sign up. Then here you go, you've got home, portfolio, chart, market, system, community, reviews, contest, brokers. I personally use this for forex calculators. You can go there. The importance of forex calculators is sometimes you need to know your margin calculation, pip calculator, position calculator. It helps with your risk management. If you click there, take for example, you're a new trader and you want to practice risk management. Maybe let's say your account is $1,000. Account, say you want to risk 2%, or stop loss 30 pips. Contract side a standard lot, Euro USD. Then you calculate. They need to guide you here. You're risking $20, and the lot size you should use is 0.06. You know, it works like that. So you can use the position size calculator. You can use the margin calculator. Let's say you need to know how much you can go with a leverage of 1 to 1,000 or 1 to 500, which most people use, and you want to enter maybe one lot on a Euro USD. So you can calculate. I don't know why it's bringing up this, but you need to change the settings somewhere. Yeah, and it will guide you through that. Then this website, I've seen other people also use it for my Myfxbook, which can review how your trade performance and your trade matrix is working. You can add an account here. I've never done it. Maybe I will in the long run. Yeah, so you can add your account there. Then to show your account matrix and how your trade performance is, if your win rate and everything. Yeah, so you can also use it for that. Like the other website, it also has the economic calendar. You can check through there. You see it's high impact. You can just change the settings there, high impact, and pick all the currencies that you want. Like all these websites have the economic calendars, but some websites don't show certain news. For me, if you want to just be using these websites for the economic calendars, I would recommend Forex Factory and Investing.com. These are the best in my opinion. Please don't get me wrong. The others also have the websites and the economic calendars. And what I do for me personally, I get the news on Forex Factory and I filter it out, and I get the ones for Investing.com. Then I combine them and make my own economic calendar, because sometimes you find here it might not show euro interest rates, but it's showing on the Investing.com, or vice versa. Yeah. So all in all, I think we've come to the end of this video. So just to go overview, this was a video about top forex websites every trader should know about or use in the long run, because you need to know what's happening in the world, And my first recommendation was Forex Factory. You can go there to sign up. It's easy, it's free, you don't need to pay anything. My second recommendation was Investing.com, and with this one you can get the app on your phone and it works very, very well. I don't know about Fxstreet and my Myfxbook, but Investing.com, I have the app on my phone and it works marvelous. So my third recommendation was Fxstreet. It works the same. I use this one for latest news and maybe just other few things that I just didn't make this video long. Then my fourth recommendation is my Myfxbook, which I've told you I use it for my calculator, and you can add your account here, so it shows your account matrix and everything. So we've come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping content weekly to help out other struggling traders grow and gain free information. Drop a comment like in the next videos that you would like me to talk about. So it's your boy 808 on this side. I'll see you on the other one. Ciao.